All right, 1989 Polaris Indy 500. It is Wednesday, March 11th, 5:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is the VIN. It's a one family-owned machine with just 11 miles on it. Really cool contrast, at least I think, with the colors. Has a Polaris accessory 2-up seat, the leather backrest, and heated grips. It's a track, a little toolbox here. The body, or the hood, I should say, is in incredible condition. Kind of cool, you can see the motor in there. Belly, they call it the belly beneath here, is perfect. The only place, like, cosmetic imperfection that really worth mentioning is right here, right in that metal trim piece. So a couple of requests for a cold start video. I'm gonna pop the hood here so I can prove that I haven't been riding this thing all day. All right, it's cold, trust me. And there's the mill, as my dad would say. You know, I'm gonna close the hood, so it has not been running in a day or two. The straps on here. Oops. Turn the key on. I'm gonna go no choke, just because it's like 70 degrees out here. The most I've ever had to use is half choke, so I'm assuming today it shouldn't need any choke. You should give it a little pump of the throttle.